Now, before you start trading with Take Profit Trader, there's some things I want to share with you guys so you know up front. The first thing is Take Profit Trader right now is having a 50% sale, and to always make sure you get the best deal with Take Profit Trader, just simply use code Epitome, and right here on the top of your banner where it says Epitome, just left click, it'll automatically add it to your clipboard. However, as we scroll on down, these are some questions that I get asked quite often during the live stream, and one of them was, Mike, how long do you have to trade in the evaluation phase for? Well, you know what? With Take Profit Trader, you have to trade 5 days. I know you may be saying, well, Mike, with Apex, I can pass in 1 day, step a minimum of 2 days. And depending on the accounts with my funded futures, it could be 1 day to several days to pass the evaluation. However, with Take Profit Trader, it will take you a minimum of 5 days to pass. However, this is something that sets Take Profit Trader apart from a lot of other prop firms out there. The withdrawal process essentially is immediate, and you can actually get a payout on day number 1. So as soon as you get into a pro account, boom, if you get over the buffer, bam, you can go ahead and request a payout and get the money in the same day. Also, something a lot of other prop firms do not offer is in the pro account, you can actually have up to 3 resets of the pro account. You might say, Mike, what in the world is a pro account? Well, if we scroll right down here real quick, the pro account is still a sim account, but you get paid on your results. So once you go through the evaluation, aka the test, you pass, meaning you trade a minimum of 5 days. And in this example, let's say the 50K account, which right now using the code in the link in the description box down below, you can get it for only $85. You would have to make a profit of $3,000, end of the day trailing drawdown of $2,000. So don't hit that drawdown. And as this week, Take Profit Trader had a huge announcement, which I think is going to be a game changer for them. They have now removed the daily loss limit. So now you get the full 2,000 drawdown from day number 1. And this was one of the rules that I actually did not care for with Take Profit Trader. And that was because when we come right back over to the rules, the daily loss limit in the past, right here, it would say enforced in the pro account. And if you hit that daily loss limit in the past, you would actually fail the account. Now, that's no longer a thing since they have now, since this week, went ahead and removed that daily loss limit. So I think that's going to be a big game changer out here for Take Profit Trader. Now, the other question I get asked, because last month they were running a special where there was no activation fee. Well, right now, regardless of the account size, once you go into the pro account, you have to pay $130 activation fee. And what is really good about this is a lot of other prop firms have a different amount for the activation fee depending on which account size you're in. Like with Apex right now, Apex's normal price for a 50K account is $140. Right now, Apex, you can get it for $85. And if you want to trade with Apex, make sure to use the link in the description box down below. And yes, I do trade with multiple prop firms like Apex, Take Profit Trader, and My Funded Futures. And right now, I'm waiting for my payout from Apex. It's in pending. Hopefully it'll be approved by Tuesday since Monday is a holiday. Now, so that means if you get a 150K account with some other prop firms out there, the activation fee could be in the several hundreds of dollars. With Take Profit Trader, it's only going to be $130. And I think I'm actually going to pick up a 150K account over the weekend. So here, either today or tomorrow before the markets open on Sunday night, I think I'm gonna go ahead and pick up 150K with Take Profit Trader as well. Now, some of the other questions I've been getting quite a bit as well is, can you trade with RTrader? Meaning if you want to trade with Take Profit Trader, can you still use RTrader since you're more familiar with that? You can. However, I'm really liking the Trade connections. All of my prop firms with My Funded Futures, Apex, and now Take Profit Trader, I am using the CQG data, the Trade data. It connects way faster. And I feel like when I hit the buy or sell button, the orders go in a lot quicker. There's not that little lag that I've gotten in the past with RTrader. Now, something else that you want to know that's going to separate Take Profit Trader from other prop firms. And a lot of traders have a hard time with the consistency rule. Mike, do I have to worry about a consistency rule? I hate that rule. Well, Take Profit Trader, the consistency rule is only in effect during the test phase. Once you go into a pro or pro plus account, which are the accounts where you start making money, there is no consistency rule. So if you make $1 million in one day, well, guess what? You're not going to be penalized. You can actually withdraw that money. And again, like I said, that's something else that separates Take Profit Trader from a lot of other prop firms out there. And something else that Take Profit Trader does very well. And I got to really, take my hat off for them, because a lot of prop firms, they have rules where, traders like, they're against me. They want me to fail. And yes, prop firms do get paid as you go ahead and you fail a challenge and you have to purchase another account. However, with Take Profit Trader, they have a news rule in the Pro and Pro Plus account. And there are certain news events we're not allowed to trade. FOMC being one of them, and CPI. That's really the two major news items that I've seen on the calendar. But what they do differently than other prop firms and just simply let you forget about it, they send you emails like this warning you that, hey, there's a news event and it's not a permitted time to trade. So they warn you well in advance, several hours before that news event comes out. So you can't say, I didn't know, I didn't look at the calendar. They remind you of that. And I got to take my hats off to Take Profit Trader for that. When I first saw that email, I was like, wow, any of the other prop firms, I have not seen an email like that come through. Maybe there's others out there. If there is, let me know. Leave it in the comment section down below. Now, if you're unfamiliar with using Tradeovate data and trading off the NinjaTrader platform, if you want to learn how to set up Tradeovate with NinjaTrader using Take Profit Trader, make sure to watch this video right here.